Hey guys, so today we're making like a giant dry ice explosion. This is our dry ice right here. And we're gonna be pouring water onto it and then putting plastic wrap on the top. We're hoping for a big explosion.
Why would we have an explosion?
Because when dry ice sublimates, it releases carbon dioxide gas. The plastic wrap here is going to trap all of that gas, and hopefully it's going to explode.
Okay. What does sublimation mean?
Sublimation means it goes straight from a solid to a gas without a liquid in between.
Okay. All right, are you ready?
Yes?
Go ahead. Ooh, look at all of that sublimation.
Okay.
It's a little windy now.
The piece of plastic wrap is too short.
I think you can get it all the way around. You're gonna stretch it over the edge. Well. Oh, leak. I think that's what's happening, is it's springing these little leaks. Why don't you zoom in and show where these little leaks are popping. Instead of doing a big explosion, it's just springing little leaks everywhere trying to let the gas out.
South.
It's growing again. Oh! Did you get it?